Ultra Inline spill decks provide safe and effective spill containment for up to 6 55-gallon drums without taking up a lot of valuable floor space. Assembling the Ultra Inline spill deck is quick and easy. First, put the units side by side. Next, remove the grating from the top of the decks. Place the washer on the included bulkhead fitting and insert into the pre-drilled holes in the decks. Hand tighten the nut on the other end of the bulkhead fitting. Now, replace the grating. Next, unscrew the nut from the bulkhead fitting on the bladder, keeping in mind that it has left-hand threads. Carefully cut the label that holds the access door closed during shipping. Next, cut the rubber bands that are around the two ends of the rolled-up bladder. Install the bladder attachment by putting the bulkhead fitting through the pre-drilled hole and hand tighten the nut. Insert the included T-strip to keep spills from going between the decks. The Ultra Inline spill deck is now ready to be used. An optional ramp is available for easier drum loading and unloading. The low-profile 5 3/4 inch height allows easier drum handling with standard wooden shipping pallets. In case of a drum failure, the leak or spill will first fill up the yellow spill deck sump. The bulkhead fitting that connects units together will allow the spill to travel into the neighboring sump. If additional capacity is necessary for the spill, the bladder attachment will automatically unfurl, providing up to 55 gallons of additional containment.